Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how thrilling it can be to manage your assets like XRP. Today, we're tackling a super practical guide: how to send XRP from Bitrue to Revolut in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your funds or just explore more options, this step-by-step process will make it easy and secure. Let's jump right in. First off, a quick refresher. XRP is a fast and efficient cryptocurrency, perfect for transfers. Before we start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Bitrue, a popular exchange, and Revolut, which supports crypto wallets. Always check for any 2025 updates, as regulations or interfaces might change. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using two-factor authentication for extra security. Head to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Locate your XRP balance. That's where the magic begins. Step 2. Click on the withdraw option next to XRP. You'll need to enter the amount you want to send. Pro tip: double-check your balance to account for any withdrawal fees, which could be around 1 to 2% in 2025. Step 3. Get your Revolut wallet address. Open the Revolut app, go to your crypto section, and copy the XRP address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Step 4. Back in Bitrue, paste the Revolut address into the withdrawal form. Add any required tags or memos if prompted. This is crucial for XRP transactions. Step 5. Review everything carefully, then confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, wait for the network to process it, which usually takes a few minutes. Once it's done, hop back to Revolut and check your wallet to see your XRP has arrived. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred XRP. Remember, crypto involves risks like market volatility and potential hacks, so always use secure practices. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.